Hi everyone, it's Gail. I am here with a final flip through of the two journals that I made from the Fashion Bazaar kit from Dreamzetc. These are a little guest design team project for my pal Jen Bishop at Dreamzetc. So I'm just going to flip through them and let you know that they are going to be available on my Etsy on Wednesday, April 8th at 10 a.m. Mountain Time. So let's do the purple cover first. Make sure we're well in frame here. Maybe I can go in just a tiny bit more. I have closed each of the journals with some lace, and they're just such lacy journals that I thought that we needed to close them that way too. This is the orchid colored craft text that I made the journal cover out of, and so it's good and tough, and I love the feel of it. And then I've put antique lace on it. I've also put one of the padded hearts from Padded Heart Company on Etsy, and I'll try and remember to put her information as well as Dreamzetc, of course, my friend Jen Bishop. All the information will be in the description box as usual. So, and then I used vintage laces from my little collection that I have. Okay, let's make sure we're all in. Okay, so here we start with the beautiful papers of the Fashion Bazaar kit. And we'll pocket here with thises and that's in there. We've got a collaged journal card. Oh, postcard. Collage postcard in there. This is one of the tags from the kit, and I just stamped "And a Story Begins" on it. And then this is one of my vintage ads, my Harper's Magazine ads from that kit in my shop. Here is some beautiful pattern paper from Carol Lane on Etsy. Got a fabric flip. One of Jen's beautiful designs. Some Edith Holden. Some dyed paper. And this little Rita Donnelly flip here. And then this is a tag that I made with Brushos, and this is Carabelle Stamps stamp. And then this is one of the pieces that you get in the journal. Such a beautiful kit. Love it, love it. This is one of the papers from the kit. And here again, the designs from the kit. Paper bag from Caroline. There's another one of the papers. I think she calls them card papers. They're 8x8, these ones. And of course, then these are the full-sized. Such pretty faces on the ladies. Some dyed paper again. Little side pocket with lace on the edge. And then in there is one of my tags that I made for the Make and Take for Creativation. And this one is using the Bird Waltz papers, which Jen also designed for Blue Fern Studios. So she designs her own digital kits, and she also designs for Blue Fern Studios paper, scrapbooking paper company. There's, I don't know. I have to feel them. They're just so beautiful. So beautiful. My pal Jen is one talented lady. We've got a little envelope here as a tuck with a card, a collage card, and this is an image from the kit. And then just a little collage cards of mine. That goes in there. From the old Sears and Roebuck catalog. Some ladies. And then this beautiful images from the kit. Again, another padded heart. I have a big journaling card in there. got lace on the edges, so it sticks out the side, which I love. And then in the envelope, I have one of the envelopes from the kit, and I just left it so that it could be extra journaling space. That's that. Little coffee dyed. Then this is one of the designs, again, from the kit, and this is one of the envelopes that I put at the middle, and I put letter seal on it, and then it can open up for more journaling space. And then in the middle here, I don't know how well you can see them on camera, maybe a little bit. There's a little teacup here and a heart charm on the middle there. This is a little envelope here that opens up. You can stick a little treasure in there. And then journal cards from the kit. All stuck in that pocket. Okay, and then the Sears and Roebuck page again. It's more Jen's beautiful papers. This is the gate pocket that we created together on my channel. And open it up, and there's room for some secret journaling in there. Top secrets go in the gate pocket. Okay, so there is that. And then behind it, we have another piece of the Harper's Magazine advertising that's in my shop, and this is one of the ones that I decoupaged, and it makes it kind of feel like leather. And still write on it, depending on the pen. Some pens will smear, so you have to kind of test it out. And belly band here with another collage card. This is one of the flowers from the kit. This little tiny tag is in the kit, and this is one of the stamps from Carabelle Stamps. The other side of the sack with a napkin decoupaged. Little pocket here with, this is a double journal card, and it's collaged with the Playtime of Yesteryear. Digitals from my shop, and a little one of my ads too. And then this beautiful tag is one of my favorites. This is a Carabelle stamp, and then this beautiful lady from the kit, and then one of Jen's flowers, and again a Carabelle stamp. So those go in there. Edith Holden. And then this little envelope, I think this came from Caroline too. And then a little collaged journal card again. Lots of handmade stuff in here. The lace pocket that we did. We've got little postcard from the kit. This is one of the ads from my kit. And then I just embellished this tag from the kit. And that is journal number 1. Might have to call it Purple Heart. So that's the first one. We'll go through the other one. We did a lot of this on camera, but I don't think I did it all. So then I like to flip these two little pieces of lace up over the closure. So that is the first one. Let's set it aside and look at this one. I'll make sure I'm in frame here. Okay, so this is the lace cover that we did together. I've also done a little lace charm here that is hanging from it, and then lace closure once again. So this one has pockets on the inside of the cover, and big journaling card from the kit. Just popped that in there. Okay, and then the pocket to start, I did This Book Belongs To and the Story Begins. This is one of the tags from the kit, and I just embellished it. This is one of my ads. And then I collaged this pocket, and I put this on, and this little stamp in the middle is from Jen's kit, from the Fashion Bazaar kit. Some, what do I want to say? Tub dyed paper. I think this one's mine. That's my, I have that design. I think that one is mine. So look at how pretty. Oh, I just love the colors in here. And then little fabric flips so you can journal underneath. And you know, it's got the teal and pink in this one, and you know I'm just a fan. This is another double journal card, and it's got my my printables underneath, and then Jen's as a focal point there. And then once again, one of the tags and a Carebell stamp. A fun crinkly sack. I love that sack. And then the Sears Catalog. Some of Jen's gorgeous designs. Edith Holden. Here's another little envelope, and it has a collaged card on it. Just from my stash, but this part is all from Jen's printables. This side pocket with lace, and this was my April tag of the month that I do for piles of paragraphs, and so that's kind of stuck in there. Another one of the little envelopes. These envelopes are made from my stamping off pages. I just stamp off on coffee dyed paper. They make great envelopes. And then it's closed with a little piece from the kit, and then there's journaling cards from the kit all in there. You get enough for 2 journals for sure. Plus I have more over there that I'm going to collage with later on. So you get a ton with Jen's kits. This is one of the gorgeous papers. I love that. I think that might be my favorite paper. But it's got teal and pink, so it makes sense, doesn't it? There's another one. And then the beautiful middle paper. And then again, I've got the envelope with the, oh, that just came off. We'll have to fix that. With the seal. I'm just going to set that right there. I just need to put a little extra glue on that. And then we've got a pearl and a little teacup as charms on this one. And the lace pocket that we made, and then one of the beautiful journaling cards from the kit, and just one of my ads. Edith Holden. And then this is the sack in this one that we decorated. It's got the big journaling card on the side here. And once again, it has an envelope in the sack that I just left for you to be able to have extra journaling space. And it too has a padded heart. Okay, and then that is the Sears and Roebuck. Here's the other side of the sack, which I decoupaged a napkin on. This is the Rita Donnelly flip, again with a tag that I made, and then this big piece from the kit. And then this is another card that I collaged, and then this is from the kit. And then it goes under that belly band. Here's the gate on this one. Put one of the pretty ladies on it, and then the background papers are from my Playtime of Yesteryear kit. This is also from my ad kit, and again is all decoupaged and yummy feeling. Another one of the Carol Lane envelopes. And then collage card. And then this one is one of the little ones with the little corner punch. And so stuck those in there. And I do believe, oh, and then I had one more envelope, so I stuck it in the back of this one so that it's just that much more drilling spot. Okay, so that's the lace one. So both of these, once again, will be on my Etsy, Cinnamon Tea, on Wednesday, April 8th at 10 a.m. I want to thank Jen so much for asking me to be a guest design team for this kit. It's gorgeous. It's absolutely gorgeous, and I know you all thought so too. So thanks everybody so much for watching, and have a grateful day. We'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone.